Okay guys, so I got most of the exhaust wrapped up. This is my first time doing it, so I used these two to kind of put them together. This one by itself, and then these two pipes here go down. This is the very last one that's left over. I did soak it in this bucket of water. It did make it a bit easier. You do need gloves. This is fiberglass, so it will itch, and these ones here are kind of crappy, not the best. Probably should have ordered a better one. But this is the heat shield that's going to be going on next. I don't know how I'm going to put it on, but should make a difference controlling the heat. So let's get started. As you can see, I got the three front cylinders covered. This thing pretty much wraps all the way around, and it should retain the heat. Amazing. I'm gonna take the big one of these bigger ones on here, use this, and I'm gonna just tie it once or twice, and that should do a lot for the heat.